welcome back to another video. First open Bing website, generate images. Click to create. Create and simply type your prompt here to generate your specific images. This prompt available in description for this video. You can change this prompt with your recording. Click to create button. Click to preview images. Simply click to download button here. Click to download image preview. You can change this prompt with your recording. Next, create your images, write your prompt. Prompt available in description. Click to create button. Click to preview generate images. Download button here. Double click to view image. Subscribe my channel, like and comments.